guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing what is in my bag. So I'm doing what's in my bag and let's see what I have inside. So the first thing comes off my shade, that is my sunglass. Okay, kaya so bahay kogi wato day maxaa ku jira waay basically. So okay, saan u yaala. What do you guys think? Woo! Very nice. I really love it. Then I have perfume here, and that is rose gold, and I love this perfume. Is the best. Ray gold, sorry, it's ray gold and it's from Avon, and I got $6.99. It's the best perfume ever. The smell is like not today. Oh, I already smell so good and fresh. Then I have a tissue. You need tissue because I have a high fever and always my nose runs, so I need a tissue that I carry with me. I'm on diet. Then I have a nuts here, so if I'm hungry and I'm outside, didn't have nothing all day, this is enough for me to eat. That's how it looks. So that's what I have. I always carry snacks like nuts. I always make a homemade mixed nuts, and then I put a zipper bag. I took always with me, but I have today this one in. So then I have my mobile. I have a Hawaii, and it's getting crushed because my data she threw in the floor. That's okay. Then I have my medication here. This is for high fever. I got high fever. My nose always it runs. The winter, the summer, oh, my eyes is itch like I wanna like take it off. So when I drink this one, and I don't get it, so I drink every morning one tablet. So then I have the baby, that is the wallet, that's everything in. So I have here everything I need. I have all my cars. I have here Argos. I have so many things. Yeah, and I have yeah, basically. And then I have 5 pound here. Let's open what I have in there. I have 100 pound here from the zipper side, like there it is. I have a couple coins in there. Yeah, so that's what I have in my bag, my wallet I mean. Then I have here I always carry top, and I was carrying this for 9 years with me. Every time I change my wallet will be with me. So that's how it looks. Isn't it so good? So I always carry it with me. So then I have here healthy and beauty car, collecting some points, and then yeah, super dry car here. I have Fudge from Argos, why not? If they send it to me coupons, I just cut it and put in my wallet. I don't use it, so when I go shopping, if I spend £100, I will get £10 off. The camera light went off, sorry guys. I have Subway coupons. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I always collect coupons. Yeah. So that's it. I don't have anything else on my wallet. That's it. So then what's next is I have my house key, and yeah, and that's latte. That's Amina. That's it. That's what I have here. My house key. And now let me find what else. Oh yeah, you need a double sticker. You need this. I have always charged this one, and I carry with me, and it's charge bank, that's what they call, and I have the wire in, just stuck on my phone. And then telephone charge to do nowadays people we finish charge like not today. So charge gana hasta equals bank charge, and it's really nice. Telephone ayamada ko kadamada, then you can use this charge. Yes, that's what I have. I keep it in my bag with me. So I don't have it, that's it, nothing there. So I'm gonna open this zipper bag now and see what I have. So I have mirayet wire, lemon board of the side, mirayet hasa. Always I carry with me, so you never know at the flare. Ilkara sata igamarsan. And then you guys didn't even tell me. That's why I carry with me. And then waxaan kala inta ugu jiraa Love Me Candy hand cream always waan qaataa, boorsada ugu jiraa. I love this cream, it's very nice and it smells amazing. نعمله سو عرفايا. See? انت maxaa ugu jiraa qalan oo suniyaha qalinkiisa waaye. I carry with me. Sometimes I don't know why it's in there anyway. Then maxaan ku haystaa lip balm aan ku haystaa, and that's how it looks. And carafkiisa aad u fiican yahay. Then inta maxaan ku haystaa mascara, and I don't know why I carry mascara, but it's in my bag anyway. And khalina into ujra. So if I get a phone call, it's important, like appointment for my son to the hospitals. So if the doctors they call me or anything, I just write it down. Maxaa kala into ujra geedka dhigaha, like tareenka markaa kortaa oo basiska camal. So ma u baahantay hadii oo tareenka aad korta ee basiska camal geedkana dhigaha iskaga shilaysa. You listen to music or you want to listen program. So what else I have lipstick, and that is silk. I love silk lipstick. I always buy their lipstick. I don't use other different lipstick, but today I'm using like lipstick with the lip gloss on. So that's it is. Then inta maxaan ku haystaa geedkan oo kaasa waa hand gel protection waaye, and maxaa laga suubiyey aloe vera laga suubiyey, and maxaa la equals 99% so oo germska dilaya. So I carry with me everywhere I go. Sometimes you go to the toilet, sometimes you such place, especially if you go in London. Oh my god, when I come back my place, we always got ill. But I carry this one ilmaheyga gacanta bas ugu siiyaya gurugtaan dhahay, so it's really nice. And maxaa kalaan ku haystaa buuga inta ku haystaa oo maxaa la dhahay yeah, create a life you love. So I don't have anything else here, so I'm gonna open the other side. So I have my inhaler, blue inhaler wire, because I have asthma. Sometimes I will go London because people they smoke cigarette, like not today. I'm on the train, I will be I still getting my asthma attack, so we don't want that. So I do carry my inhaler, and then I was like pop pop pop, and I'm done. I always carry beans bean maham or hijab. I don't know why, because I always use my one. Sometimes I will go family or friends, and then I took it off the beans and I don't know where I put it, so I have always carry it with me. What else I have? Yeah, basically that's it. So that's what was it about Boorsade. Maxuu ku jira, what's in my bag. So that's what I always carry it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe my channel, comment down below. Until next time, bye guys. Always stay chapiba. Masalama.